our thermal coffee server. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 9 inches, a depth of 14 inches. 14 inches from the front of the tray towards the back of the coffee server, and a height of 23 inches tall. Coming to the bottom will be a 2-piece tray that can be removed for cleaning. Interior dimension for the tray itself will include 7 inches in length, 5 inches in depth. Again, the 2-piece tray can be removed for cleaning. Coming to the top reservoir is a cap that's held by a chain that can be loosened to pour in your coffee, along with the smaller reservoir that can be released to pour in your product. Again, the small twist cap can be loosened, along with the smaller reservoir that can be released and inserted back onto the top. Coming to the front will be the indicator. 6 liters will be the maximum. And coming to the front will be the nose or dispenser to dispense your coffee. Coming to the back will be the ETL certification for this coffee server. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.